Ladies and gentlemen.
My friend invited me to the premiere of a movie he edited, so I invited my mother and my friend. So come with me. And guess what? I will be getting an award at this event. Backstory: my undergrad classmates actually reached out to me that he would love me to be there at the premiere of the movie. By the way, did I mention his dad, the producer and writer of this movie, is Oriofe Williams, one of my favorite childhood actors. So of course I was going to be there. And then I planned that my mom was going to be there, since we had planned she would be in Ibadan for Easter celebration. So she was around and I invited my friend as well. Few weeks after the invite, my friend reached out again and said, "Hey, you know what? I nominated you for an award that would be presented on that day." I didn't tell my mom. I told my friend though, in case we needed like her to catch the moment.
So the real African time is when you do your things promptly. Clap for Nigeria. And I saw that around 2 p.m. people were already coming in. I really appreciate you. Film studies, music, AI, animation, and the rest. Now, off your heart and take a bow to appreciate the audience. If not for them, you've not anything. Put your hands together for them. A number dropped out. A number could not conclude, but this concluded their progress. Look at me. I am very proud of you. You can leave the stage. A round of applause for our graduates.
Then came the time for the award presentation. Omo, a lot happened. From me going to PE and coming back and seeing almost all my classmates that were present on stage. I said, "What happened after giving the award?" My friend said, "No." My mom said, "Go, go, go." I don't know what thing happened. Actually, they called one of our lecturers. One of our lecturers was presented an award, and my classmates went to celebrate them. And because my mom didn't know, so it was just messy. Anyways, my mom wanted us to leave. I was boboing the woman. And I had to lie to her that my friend was getting an award. It would be good for us to stay to support him. What did I turn back to? The human I used to lie. Otilo. Oh my god. I knew my mom started being suspicious there and then. Anyways, a lot of people were awarded. In fact, let's just take a moment to give this man a round of applause because he stood all through that period. After that, we got our award and it was good. It was good to see the surprise on my mom's face. It was an honorary award. I will share the certificate. It was beautiful and I'm grateful, really grateful to everyone involved.
Share suspects.
And then guess what? We met Woli Aga. And can someone just say I will not be short in life? Because tell me why I was using camera to look for my friend, and my friend too was stretching into the camera, but you will not see her because why? The woman is short. Anyways, I had an interview with a member of the of Cruise, Cruise on YouTube now, Cruise team, and it was delightful, really. We bless God for a wonderful time. The movie was indeed a blast. I heard it's coming to the cinema, and it's indeed worth it. It would make you think, it would make you reason. I would love to see it again. I would love to pay for it. It's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful movie. So, yeah, my first premiere, I got an award. Cheers to come. And I think one thing that really made it so special to me is that the nomination message came in at a point where I was thinking that it was few days after my birthday, right? And I was really thinking, God, what next? God, am I wasting time? God, what's going on? The message came in and it was like an answer of some sort. It was like God saying, people see you, I see you, right? And it, it might look small, but this award right here, I'm not sure I mentioned to my friend, but it really changed a lot. One of the things or one of the effects of this award was that until this award, I actually thought we were not going to have Career Force 3.0. It was just a thought in my head, really. And then it was like, someone sees you, your efforts are not being wasted. Come on, girl. And yes, we will be having Career Force 3.0. Thank you once again to everyone involved. It was indeed a special day, and I'm grateful and so happy to share this moment with you.